Hello everyone, this is Carrie. This is our new designed vertical wheel repair machine DCM32P-S. Today I will talk about the advantages of our full-station automatic two-post. For example, first, it can be switched by one key, and the tool change time is fast. Only need 2.6 seconds. The second advantage is high precision. The repeat position accuracy is less than or equal to 0.005 millimeters. The second advantage is it can use a long lifetime. Thanks for watching the video. Please contact us if you want to know more.